In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create proxies in Premiere Pro. If you're editing high-resolution footage and your timeline feels sluggish, proxies are your best friend. A proxy is simply a lower-resolution copy of your original clip that's linked behind the scenes. You edit with the lightweight version, and Premiere keeps everything tied to the full quality source for export. Let's walk through how to set this up cleanly and confidently. First, bring your high-resolution files into your Premiere Pro project. Use the import dialog or drag them into the project panel, whatever fits your workflow. It's important to start with the original media in place so the proxies can be created and linked correctly. Keep your media organized on a fast drive, and avoid moving or renaming files after import to prevent relinking headaches later. Next, in the project panel, select the clips you want to proxy. You can select a single clip or highlight a whole batch. Right-click one of the selected clips and choose Proxy, then Create Proxies. This tells Premiere you're ready to generate lighter versions of those files. A Create Proxies window will appear with a few key choices. Under Preset or Format, pick a proxy preset. ProRes QuickTime, with a smaller frame size, such as half resolution, is a great balance of quality and performance because ProRes is easy for most systems to decode. If your computer is older or you're working with heavy codecs, you can go even smaller, like quarter resolution. The goal is real-time playback with minimal dropped frames, while keeping the same frame rate and aspect ratio as your originals. You'll also see an option to add a watermark. This is handy because it gives you a clear visual cue that you're looking at the proxy version while you edit. It won't affect your final export, and it can prevent confusion when you jump between projects. For the destination, choose where the proxy files will live. Selecting. Next to original media keeps things simple. Premiere will create a proxies folder right beside your source files. If you prefer a dedicated structure, choose your own location and keep proxies on a fast, always available drive. Consistent folder organization will save you time later. Click OK, and Premiere sends the job to Adobe Media Encoder. Leave Media Encoder and Premiere running while the queue processes. As each proxy is created, it's automatically linked back to your original clip behind the scenes. That's it. Your project is now set up for smoother, faster editing without sacrificing final quality.